Hi guys, welcome to my recording of this new pedal board I'm building. I got this pedal train Classic Junior, and for my needs it's going to be perfect because I don't like a big pedal board and I hope I'm going to be gigging quite a bit. I just moved to Canada from Australia and I needed a quick pedal board, and I think I made a good choice. So this pedal train comes with uh, soft case, pedalboard tape as well. So yeah, it comes pretty much prepared. You get some zip ties as well in the bag. So, and these are really good quality Velcro as well. So which was really a bonus. And this soft case is really easy to carry as well. So you get a big carry-on strap with really well-made plastic and soft padding, and it has a pretty big size pocket which you can use to carry your accessories or your music sheets and whatnot. So I thought it really fits all my purposes. I was looking for really easy to carry lightweight pedal board, and my goal for this build would be a gigging man's pedal board. I didn't want to go too big. I will be playing my pedals through a Mesa Boogie amp, which is heavy itself, so I needed a lightweight pedal board. And I'll narrate through the build process. So basically, I'm going to Velcro up my pedal board first, and I'm going to cut all the Velcros to size. So we're going to speed up the process a little bit over here. And I'm just right now cutting all the Velcro to size, and once you get a good piece, you can use that piece to use for the other lengths. So that's exactly what I'm doing here for my third piece as well. I'm just using that one simple size and using that as my template. So putting down the Velcro here, I am going to go very slow here. The video will be fast, but I'm going quite slow at this stage. So I'm trying to not make a mess or try to keep the lines super straight. So take your time in this step. Take your time, take as much time as you need, and go very, very slow. Even being so very slow, I did kind of lose my patience a little bit and rushed through a couple of steps, and I kind of, those lines are a little skewed, which I paid the price for that. But yeah, so you want to take your time in this stage. You want to really carefully lay down your Velcro tip, and then you go like inch by inch. So this is a method that I kind of stumbled upon myself. So I hold the Velcro tapes really steady and pull the paper part very slowly from underneath, just like that. So I did the same process for the third one as well, and this is the last one. And again, I'm gonna go very slowly and keep the line straight as much as I can. So there you go, my Velcro is done. So I put the soft part in the bottom of the pedal board, and the hook part would be underneath my pedals when we open up. So now I'm using this Cerberus Nux FX Cerberus multi-effects unit, and the reason I chose this one was because I wanted basically I wanted a multi-effects, but I'm not going to be using it as my main source of everything. Basically, I'm going to use the mod section with the vibe and the stereo chorus that it has. But the main reason for me getting this one is because it has an IR loader, so impulse response loader. So in case ever I need something goes wrong and my amp fails, I still have a backup. So I can plug in straight to the PA system or front of house from this Nux FX multi-effects, and I can save the gig. So that was my kind of idea as a backup. I will be running it, running the mod effects and sometimes the delays, sometimes the drives, but this is just going to be I'm going to get my main analog drives and distortion from my amp as well as my other pedals. This is the Cerberus is really well made. When I took it in my hands, it feels solid, made of metal, so I love it. So now this one here is a dual delay pedal, again by Nux or NUX or NUX effects. I am a big fan of Andy Timmins. I wanted his kind of style of dual delays that he usually has. So I wanted to get a dual delay pedal as well. So any NUX effects is really affordable. So for a gigging musician like me, I thought it was a really good first step to get into. As you know, I just moved from Australia into Canada, and I'm trying to rebuild all my gear, rebuild all my gigs in here. So this is, for me, it felt like a really good first step. And once I started using the dual delay, I'm going to be I will be sticking with it. It's a really fine quality delay. So here we go. These are my pedals. That's the Mesa foot switch. That's just the foot switch to change between channels of my Mesa Rectoverb 25.